Hi, I'm Mike Corwin. I was contracted to be the president of a local heating, cooling, and plumbing company. When I began working with Matthew and Courtney, we had approximately 28 vehicles, 32 employees, and we grew that year to approximately 39 vehicles and 42 employees. We moved from one building to another because we'd grown so much. We established a new warehouse, and our revenue again increased approximately 20% gross revenue. Matthew, Courtney, and the team were awesome to work with. They were polite, professional, they were always available, they explained everything, and they were very patient. The overall experience I had with Matthew Rep and Associates was fantastic. Um, from their personal attention, they really cared, to the actual ideas that they had. And it wasn't cookie cutter ideas. They really strive to provide ideas that are specific to my business and the audience that I was trying to grab through our marketing plan. Absolutely wonderful. Couldn't recommend them enough.